In this video, we will guide you through the steps to organize your products and improve your customers' shopping experience by adding products to collections on your Shopify store. So let's dive right in. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Products section, click on the Collections sub-tab. Here, you'll see any existing collections you might have. To create a new collection, click on the Create Collection button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to fill in the collection details. First, enter the name of your collection. Be descriptive and clear to help customers understand what products are included. Next, add a description for your collection. This description will appear at the top of the collection page and should provide additional information about the products within the collection. You can also add a collection image. This image will be displayed as the cover photo for your collection, so choose an eye-catching and relevant image that represents the products well. Now, it's time to define the conditions that will automatically include products in this collection. You have two main options. Option A, manually select products to include in the collection. In this case, you'll manually choose which products to add to the collection. Option B, use automated conditions. With automated conditions, you can set rules based on product tags, titles, or other attributes. Shopify will automatically add products that meet these conditions to the collection. Once you've added all the products you want or set up the automated conditions, click the Save button to create your collection. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to add products to a collection on your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips and tricks.